gonna check out the store. I just want to give you a little tour of the store, what they have at River Run. Check out. Why, thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
They've got nice grills, some merchandise, some souvenir, River Run. Oh, look, Mud Jam.
Over there. Tire slime over there.
Tire slime.
Right over by the tire repair kit on Matthew.
Wait. I'm blind. They're out. I guess I've got one bottle, which is mine now.
And she got some fixing flash.
Soon. Oh, can it fit me? My arm, probably. So they basically have charcoal, some lighter fluid.
A mini fan.
I bought a hat from here before too. Oh look, it matches my bike.
I think you ought to get the digital camo. I think you ought to get the digital camo.
I don't wear hats.
Look, in case I get kicked out of the camper, I got an inflatable mattress to sleep on.
Oh, but you.
Beanies and koozies, some snacks, medication, some over-the-counter medication, Snickers. Yum. Don't be a diva. Eat a Snickers. What else do they have here? I don't care what y'all say. Lunchables are the shit. Especially when you're starving. Some milk. That's $4.49. That's it. Ooh, oatmeal cream pies. A bunch of sodas. Where's the alcohol at? I don't think they sell alcohol here. Oh, look at all their choices for Monster and Dunkin' Donuts coffee.
In case you were wondering, I still have a Maverick belt under the back seat of my truck.
So they have a bunch of parts too, just in case you break down and you want to ride. You still can get, oh, got the Polaris oil. And then look, it's all organized. Polaris over here. They got axles, oil, and I don't know what else back there. And then they got the Can-Am section over there.
What is the River Run rocker switch?